Welcome to Car Buying Made Easy, brought to you by Members Credit Union.
Oh, look, there's another customer on the lot. So what do you think? It was great, right? I mean, the car has an awesome sound system, chrome rims, leather seats, the premium package. You know, everything a young person like yourself is looking for. I bet I can even get you in a payment that's like $100 a month. How do you like that?
$100 a month? Really? You can get me in that car for only $100 a month. Man, that sounds great! So I went down to the car dealership and they told me they could get me a car for $100 a month in my payment. Is that a good place to start?
Since this is the first time you've shopped for a car, let me assist you and give you some guidance that will help you make this purchase as easy as possible. The first step is to check your credit. Knowing where your credit stands is important. Your credit report will play a vital role in the interest rate you'll pay on the loan.
So, the better your credit score, the better the interest rate?
Yes, a high credit score can help you get a low car loan rate, which will save you money on interest. The next step is to pick out your payment. Only you know what your financial situation is. Take a good look at your budget and determine what amount you can afford each month for that payment.
So, how long should I finance my vehicle?
Car loans typically come with a 4, 5, 6, or even a 7-year term. Keep in mind that the longer the term, the longer you will be likely to be upside down in the loan. Being upside down in the loan simply means that you owe more than the value of the vehicle. The third step in the car buying process is to get pre-approved. In today's world, there are many ways to shop for a vehicle. Online, in-person, auto buying services, and more. Knowing that you already have been pre-approved for a specific amount to spend will help you when you look for your vehicle so that you look in your price range.
What if I don't spend the entire amount I was pre-approved for?
You can always spend less than the amount for which you are pre-approved, but you can't spend more unless you want to make up the difference in cash or by trading in your current vehicle. If you spend less than the amount pre-approved, you won't get this back in cash, but you will get a smaller loan.
What happens if I don't have great credit?
You may still be able to get a pre-approval for a loan with bad credit, but the interest rate will be higher. If you're a first-time borrower and have no credit history, you can either get someone to co-sign for you or consider a lender that will work with first-time borrowers.
What do I need to do to get a pre-approval?
When you arrive at the credit union to get your pre-approval, it's a good idea to have your 2 most recent pay stubs on hand so the loan officer can review your pay history. You will also need to have your driver's license. Later in the loan process, you'll need to have your insurance information as well as a bill of sale and be able to answer a few questions about your monthly bills once you found the vehicle that you wish to purchase. The fourth step is choosing your vehicle. Once you've received your pre-approval, you can get serious about shopping for your new car. One of the great benefits of having this pre-approval is you can focus your efforts on negotiating the best deal for your vehicle.
Do dealerships negotiate on their prices?
Many dealerships nowadays do not negotiate prices on new or used vehicles. Dealers may be able to make a deal on financing though. Just be careful. Many times they will talk you into a longer term which will reduce your monthly payment but will cost you more in the long run.
What if I find a vehicle that is not at a dealership?
If you're going to buy a vehicle from a private party, make sure that your loan option, your pre-approval, will cover that transaction. Sometimes there are added limitations to these types of transactions. The fifth step is finalizing the paperwork. Once you have chosen your vehicle and negotiated the price, you will coordinate with your credit union to finalize the loan. The dealer will likely try to get you to buy add-ons like extended warranties, VIN etching, paint or fabric protection, etc. Be sure to research these ahead of time so you don't feel pressured to make a quick, uninformed decision. The final step is making your car payment. After the sale is finalized, you'll get information from your credit union about your payment schedule. Some will send you a coupon book or a monthly statement, and others will tell you the due date, and it's up to you to make sure that you know when to make the payment. Signing up to access your account online is always a good idea. Having access to your account online allows you to see your account balance, previous payments, and payment due dates. If you have a checking or a savings account, many times you can make your loan payment electronically online through your online access.
This is great information. Is there anything else I should know?
One last thing. Almost every car loan allows you to prepay without penalty. So if you decide to pay off your loan faster, you can do that. In most cases, this will save you money in the long run by reducing the amount of interest you will pay over the life of the loan. Be sure to check with your credit union to make sure your additional payments are processed correctly.
Great! Now I have the tools to purchase a car the right way.
Thank you for watching Car Buying Made Easy, brought to you by Members Credit Union. For more information, please visit our website at www.memcu.com or give us a call 1-800-951-8000.